house was built in 1880. We bought it and it was pretty derelict and needed some love. I actually made a whole list of what I was looking for in painters, sent it to the Heiler Painting group. They were careful about their workers and they were careful about the environment, and those were two really big things for me. They're easy to get a hold of. Email, text messaging, they respond more promptly than prompt. With great care, they basically took it all down to the natural wood. It's a great group of people to work with. The workers are respectful of your property. It makes me happy, it makes me smile. It was a big job. It was a huge job. If you want a group that's filled with integrity and care for your property, I would definitely choose Heiler again. They were very easy to work with. It was just like we were meant to be together with this house.